Hello, my friends. Today, I will share my story with you. It is about my family, my school, and how I learn English. You will know how my parents guide me, how my teachers help me, and how my friends support me. I will also tell you the small steps I follow every day to practice English. So listen carefully and enjoy my story. I live with my family. My family is small but very happy. I have my father, my mother, and me. We love each other very much. My father works very hard. He goes to work every day. He helps many people. He loves me a lot. Sometimes my father tells me stories at night. His stories teach me lessons about honesty and hard work. I like to sit beside him and listen carefully. His voice makes me feel safe and strong. My mother is very kind. She cooks delicious food for us. She helps me with my homework. She smiles at me and says, "Speak in English with me." My parents always help me learn new things. They buy me books and pens. They tell me, "Read books every day. Books are your best friends." My mother also sings songs when she cooks. I try to understand the English songs she listens to. Sometimes she asks me to sing with her. Even if I don't know all the words, I try my best. I love my parents very much. They are my world. I want to make them happy. So I study hard every day. When I get good marks, I see the joy in their eyes. That makes me study even harder. I go to a good school in my town. My school is not very big, but it is very clean. There are many classrooms. There is a nice playground too. Sometimes we play football in the playground. Sometimes we run races. We feel strong and happy. On rainy days, we cannot play outside, so we read books in the library. I love the smell of new books. I have many friends in my school. We play together. We read together. We help each other in studies. My best friend is Rafi. He sits next to me in class. We always share our tiffin and laugh a lot. He also practices English with me. Sometimes we compete to see who can speak in English longer without stopping. My teachers are very kind and friendly. They teach us all subjects. My favorite teacher is my English teacher. He is very smart. He smiles always. He says, "English is easy. Speak simple words, make short sentences, repeat again and again."
I listen to my teacher carefully. I write notes in my notebook. I read them at home. I repeat them many times. When I forget something, I ask my teacher again. He never gets angry. He explains with patience. In English class, we read stories. We ask questions. We answer in English. Sometimes my teacher plays games with us. It is so fun. Once, our teacher made us act like characters from a story. I felt shy at first, but later I enjoyed it a lot. That day, I played the role of a king. My friends clapped for me and I felt very happy. At break time, I eat snacks with my friends. We try to talk in English. We laugh when we make mistakes. We learn from our mistakes. My friend once said, I is happy, and we all laughed. Then the teacher corrected it to, I am happy. After school, I come back home. I wash my hands and eat lunch. Then I help my mother with some work. Sometimes I water the plants in our garden. I also clean my study table before starting my homework. I love to see flowers bloom in the garden. They remind me that hard work always gives results. After that, I sit to do my homework. I finish my math, science, and other subjects first. Then I practice English. I read one small story. I write 5 new words. I make short sentences. I read them loudly. Sometimes I ask my mother to listen to me. She claps and says, Very good. Sometimes I watch English cartoons. I listen to how they talk. I try to copy their words. It helps my speaking. My favorite cartoon is Doraemon. I love how Nobita talks. I repeat his words in English. I also like Shin-chan because he is funny. His words make me laugh, but I learn English from him too. At night, I sit with my father. He asks me to tell him a short story in English. I try to speak slowly. My father smiles and says, Very good. I feel happy when my parents are proud of me. It makes me want to learn more. Sometimes I even read my stories to my neighbors. They listen and say, You are improving. On Sundays, I clean my books and bag. I arrange my notebooks. I write my plan for the new week. I write in English. My plan is simple. Read English every day. Write one small story. Speak to myself in English. Listen to one English video. I also practice writing small letters in English. Sometimes I write a letter to my friend, even if I don't send it. I even write a small diary about my day. It helps me remember new words. I also write my goals. My goal is to speak English fluently. I want to travel to many countries. I want to meet people and talk with them in English. I dream of going to London one day. I want to see Big Ben and talk with people there in English. I also want to visit America and see the Statue of Liberty. I want to ask people questions in English. I know English is very important today. If I know good English, I can get a good job. I can help my family. I can help poor people too. My dream is not only to earn money, but also to make a difference in society. My teacher always tells me, practice makes you perfect. Never stop learning. I remember his words every day. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel sleepy. But I do not stop. I read one page even if I feel lazy. This is my rule. Even if I read only 2 sentences, I never miss my practice. That is my promise to myself. One day, I want to become a teacher. I want to teach English to many students. I want to tell them, speak with love, speak with courage. English is your friend. I also want to travel to villages and teach poor children. I want to give them free books and pens. I believe education is the key to change. If children learn English, they can build a brighter future. I also want to write my own stories in English. I want to share my stories with the world. I want people to read my books and feel happy. Maybe one day I will publish a book for children. I want them to enjoy reading in English. Now I want to tell you, my friends, if I can learn English, you can too. I was shy before. Now I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. Please read one page every day. Write one sentence every day. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Watch easy English videos. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Do not be afraid. Do not feel shy. We all make mistakes, but we learn from them. One day, you will speak English confidently. You will talk to people from other countries. You will feel very happy. I believe in you. I believe in myself. Let's practice together. Let's help each other. Let's make our dreams come true. Thank you so much for listening to my story about my family, my school, and my English practice. I hope you liked it. Please keep practicing every day. Keep smiling. Keep reading. Keep speaking English. See you in my next story. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.